Okay, you don't need to see my mug anymore. You've seen it once. All right, so here are the 5 kinematic variables. Do not be afraid. All right? Okay, so, and we're going to be talking final velocity and initial velocity and things like that. And sometimes I'll use speed. That means I'm not really caring too much about the direction that it's going. Sometimes we'll have to use the velocity, because if I'm going in a positive x direction, I put on my brakes, guess what? My velocity vector is going to be going in a negative, or my acceleration vector is going to be going in a negative direction, and that's going to be slowing down my other one. But I don't want to get into the weeds like that. I just want you to look at some of these equations here, okay? And so here's what we mean when we're doing. We set them up. Here's the 5 kinematic variables: displacement, acceleration. We already know what that is. That's the change in velocity or the change in time. Final velocity is the final speed or velocity that something is going. Initial velocity, where did it start? A lot of times it starts at 0, and then the elapsed time, how long was it going? And then we use those for these 4 equations here. Okay, this is probably one of the most useful ones. All right, so this one comes from the definition of acceleration. We'll just be using these guys. All right, now that you know what they are and what they're called, let's get started with the lesson. Okay, all right. Or let's look at some of the let's look at this stealing a base video, and then let's analyze it and answer some questions from it.